Well, hello there YouTubers, and welcome to another DrCassette video. And today we're going to unbox some camcorders that I received from eBay today. Now this was I think a pretty good deal. It is a bunch of 4 camcorders. The guy who sold them said he didn't know if they were working or something. Yeah, I got those camcorders for €1 altogether, so I paid 25 cents for each, and well, plus shipping. Shipping was like €8 or something. And so let's start. Just returned from my friend who is doing all the eBay for me. And yeah, it's a big packet, and well, first good sign is the seller used damping material, packaging material, so it shouldn't be too bad. Start with the first one here. You can already see the carrying strap. It's a Bauer brand camcorder. Pretty sure it is a rebadged Panasonic, but we're going to see. Bit tricky here. Ooh my, there you can already see the microphone. There we have this camcorder. Stuff the packing material right there. Okay, well, it's definitely not in the best shape. The door for the tape compartment is broken. Yeah, so there you have it. It is a Panasonic, a rebadged Panasonic from the early 90s, and I don't think it will work, because it's, well, straight out of the era where camcorders had bad capacitors. But it came with this battery pack here, as you can see. That's kind of nice. So there you have it, camcorder number 1. I'm going to put it right there. Let's continue. They're getting a styrofoam mess down there. Now here comes the reason why I bought the whole set. It's a really big thing. There it is, and yep. This is a full-size VHS camcorder. Really nice. Full-size VHS. It's actually my second one. I have not even seen the first one yet. It's a Bauer brand camcorder. This is a Grundig. This is a Grundig. Right there it says Grundig. And it's a model VS-116 and has a cracked tape door. So that's not a good sign. Let's see if there is a better... Oh! There is also a battery pack inside, but that should be bad. Anyway, also this is a rebadged Panasonic. Microphone foam is missing, and the viewfinder thing is messed up. Doesn't want to move. It's supposed to move. And the piece for the eyepiece of the viewfinder is missing. That's kind of stupid. Anyway, maybe it will work. Move on. Okay. Oh, disgusting. Okay. Well, this is a seriously disgusting thing. It's all dusty and all... Ugh. Maybe you can see that. I want to zoom in on this. Zoom is somewhat slow with the remote. Yeah, hopefully you can see that. It's looking awful there. Gotta clean that off. Anyway, also this one is a Grundig. Well, it says Grundig on there, as you can see. Currently you can't see anything at all. There it says Grundig. But this one is, of course, a Sony. Actually, it's a Sony. And, yeah. This one comes without a battery. I do have a battery somewhere that fits that, but I don't have the charger anymore because I sold all the other Sony Handycams out of that H. More packing material. Well, and now, last but not least, there is a cable, so obviously there is a charger coming together with one camcorder. Okay, and this is the last Grundig. Can't see it. Yeah, this is another Grundig. Again, a Sony, really small Sony, a Handycam, rebadged Sony Handycam. It does have that sort of rubber stuff up there, which by now, because of age or something, it's all deteriorating. This one comes, it doesn't come with a charger, but it comes with a hookup cable for a power supply, so might be able to get this to work. We'll see. Well, this is quite amazing. I didn't thought that it would be that small, really. But anyway, that's the last one. And yeah, that's it for those 4 camcorders. Put that all back in there, and yeah, now I'm going to have some fun with those things, and yeah, see if they will still work. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, see you again soon.